Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature in QuickBooks Online, creating a progress invoice. If you're running a project-based business like construction or consulting, progress invoices help you get paid as work gets done, rather than waiting until the end. This guide is updated for 2025, so you'll be using the latest tools. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, head over to the Sales or Invoicing tab. It's usually on the left-hand menu. This is where all your billing magic happens. Now, click on New Invoice to start fresh. QuickBooks makes this intuitive, so don't worry if you're new to it. Next, select the customer you're invoicing from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the Progress Invoice option. It's often under Invoice Settings or Types. This tells QuickBooks that this isn't a full payment yet. Enter the project details, like the total contract amount and the progress completed so far. For example, if your project is 50% done, input that percentage, and QuickBooks will calculate the invoiced amount automatically. Awesome, right? Don't forget to add line items for the work done. Describe what was completed, add quantities, rates, and any taxes. QuickBooks will handle the math for you, but always double-check for accuracy. Once everything looks good, hit Save and Send. You can email it directly to your client or download a PDF. One quick tip. Always attach supporting documents, like photos or reports, to make your invoice more professional and transparent. That way, clients can see exactly what they're paying for. And there you have it. Your progress invoice is ready to go. This feature can really streamline your cash flow and keep projects on track. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.